Today, I'm here to show you how to integrate our S40K series with the Solis Inverter. Comprising 4 modules, the S40K has a total energy capacity of 10 kilowatts, providing strong support for your energy system. First, let's understand the interface of the S40K, ensuring its compatibility with the Solis Inverter. Next, let's check the interface and communication of the inverter to ensure seamless integration. A key aspect when configuring your energy storage system is to ensure the voltage range of your inverter matches the S40K series. Once compatibility is confirmed, we begin the setup. Connect the communication cable first, followed by the power cable. These cables ensure that the S40K series integrates flawlessly with the inverter, offering real-time monitoring and control. Then, enter a specific setting code to ensure the S40K series perfectly aligns with your Solis power system. This coding ensures optimal performance and safety. Ensure the inverter switch is off, then turn on the power. With everything set up, the S40K series is now ready to work harmoniously with your Solis inverter. In addition to our own brand inverters, the S40K can seamlessly integrate with leading inverter brands like DI, Victron, SMA, and Growit. If needed, we'll match the system for you. And that's all. Your 10 kilowatt energy storage system, merging the S40K with Solis, is now up and running.